Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. So today's interview question is, how do you handle secrets and sensitive data in CloudFormation templates? So a sample answer could be that uh, security is definitely a top priority for me, and especially when we work with a client like those who are in financial institution or in a banking domain. There are different compliance, and handling sensitive data is very critical. And not even that, like in any project, you need to handle sensitive data with care. We cannot store passwords and secrets in plain text in CloudFormation template because these CloudFormation templates are stored in GitHub. And whoever has access to GitHub, they'll be able to see all these hard-coded password or sensitive key details. So what we do, we store that data in AWS System Manager Parameter Store or AWS Secrets Manager. So in Secrets Manager, we store the DB credentials, and in Parameter Store, generally endpoint API URL, DB URL, database URL, some configuration data we store in Parameter Store. Here on AWS console, if you go, there is AWS Secrets Manager, and it's a key value pair. We can store a new secret here, right? Credentials for RDS database, username, password, we can store. And we can use some encryption key, encrypt using KMS key that Secrets Manager creates, or a Customer Manager KMS key that you access. And in Parameter Store, AWS System Manager Parameter Store. This is AWS System Manager Parameter Store, and this is AWS Secret Manager. One is Secret Manager, and this is System Manager. System Manager Parameter Store. Here we can just get any parameters. We can store any parameters. And that we refer in our CloudFormation template. Here we can give some name, a description, and store this. A data type, it can be text, and we can store it, and it can be string, any string value, string list, separated strings using comma or secure string, encrypt sensitive data using KMS keys from an account or another account. So the other different ways we can store. So we use AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store, AWS Secrets Manager. Generally, like password credentials, we store in Secrets Manager, and DB URL or any other details we can store, configuration details we can store in Parameter Store. We can also store a password because that is a secure string, right? And there is, we also sometimes use CloudFormation parameters with no echo. So when we say no echo, that means whatever CloudFormation executing, like it won't print that parameter details. So that so if it is a secret or sensitive data, it should not be printed in the log. The sensitive information from being displayed in plain text in AWS CloudFormation console API calls or stack events. So it won't be displayed. So these are the three things I take care. So in terms of security best practices, I follow least privilege access, restricting IAM roles to access only required parameter. So that means if I'm doing it for production, I will give access only for the production secret manager key. I won't give for staging or QA environment, I won't give access to the production secret manager key. So whatever is required, only that much information will be provided. No extra additional information will be provided. Okay, so let's go to today's quiz. So this is one simple example. Existing secrets in RDS. There is a template version parameter. This parameter secret ARN. Once we create that secret on AWS, we'll get the ARN that will pass it as a parameter. When we create the stack, that time we can pass it, or from command line also we can execute using AWS CLI. And from there it will be fetched. The details will be fetched, and when we are creating DB extract, we are using DB T3 micro, allocated storage is 20 GB, and here must username and password we are fetching from Secrets Manager. we are fetching from secrets manager. So it's resolving dynamically. And the secret ARN will be passed as a parameter when deploying the stack. And we can do it from the command line also. Here we are passing that secret ARN. So this is not the password actually, it's the ARN for that secrets manager where we stored my DB secret. And from where, from this location, it will fetch that details. Okay, let's go to today's quiz section. Which parameter stored type is encrypted using AWS KMS? Which parameter stored type is encrypted using AWS KMS? So we have seen that is a secure string. Secure string is secure string. So answer is C. Encrypted using AWS KMS. Which AWS service allows automatic rotation of secrets such as database and credentials? That is Secrets Manager. Secrets Manager allows automatic rotation of secrets such as database credentials. So answer is B. Which feature of Secrets Manager is particularly helpful for compliance requirement? Which feature of Secrets Manager is particularly helpful in compliance requirement? So answer is automatic rotation. Automatic rotation is helpful for compliance requirement because in some guidelines or compliance, they say that you have to rotate your keys automatically, maybe after 3 months, maybe after 1 month. So that's the compliance requirement. Which CloudFormation parameter property hides sensitive input during stack deployment? CloudFormation parameter hides sensitive input during stack deployment. No echo true. No echo true. Answer is C. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub. I post quiz contest daily and you can participate in that. And you can also follow WhatsApp channel, Devops Challenge Hub. And there I post regular updates. Okay. So thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next video.